Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I want to introduce myself. My name is Indah Kristiana. I come from Blitar, East Java, Indonesia. I am 30 years old. I was born 30 April 1995. I am Muslim. My height 155 cm. My weight 52 kg. My last education is senior high school. I am married. I have 4 daughters. She is 8 years old, twin 5 years old, and 2 years old. I am number 2 in my family. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I have work experience in Blitar 2 years from 2020 until 2022. My job take care children, cooking, washing clothes, cleaning house, send to school, and go to market. I can cook Indonesian food, porridge, capcay, fried rice. I don't eat pork, but I can handle pork. I won't go to Singapore because I need more money for children's study. I won't make a house and make picture. I promise I will be diligent, honest, hard work, and finish contract 2 years or more. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. I hope get job very soon. See you in Singapore. Bye-bye.